ho, ho! Hello, my friends. Santa here with a special Christmas gift for your home. I'm not the only one delivering joy this year. You can give your home something truly magical. Energy independence. 10 sleek 465-watt triple black panels soak up the sun, while two 5.12 kilowatt-hour batteries store that energy for whenever you need it. A hybrid inverter ties it all together. Expertly installed for $7,995 by Evergreen Power UK. Imagine warm lights glowing, appliances running effortlessly, and electricity bills shrinking, all while helping the planet. This Christmas, celebrate smarter, greener, and brighter. A gift that keeps giving all year long. Ho, ho, ho!